Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth Web or Google Earth Pro and signing in so the platform can access higher resolution tiles. Once done, grant location and browser permissions to avoid blocked imagery. Next, open the Layers panel and enable data sources that supply near real-time visuals, such as webcams, traffic, and weather. These layers push frequent updates. Make sure your internet is stable and set the map to satellite view. Now zoom to the area you want and lock the camera for the next steps. Once you have the area framed, focus on sources that refresh frequently. Toggle webcams for direct feed windows or enable traffic, and weather overlays for near-live changes. Adjust camera tilt and zoom to maximize relevant detail, and set imagery quality to high in settings so tiles download at best resolution. Then use Google Earth Pro's built-in Save Image or your preferred screen capture tool to record a short clip or stills. Make sure to capture multiple frames a few seconds apart to detect movement or changes. To finish, export your capture. Use Google Earth Pro's Save Image or Movie tool for higher fidelity, or export recorded screen clips from your capture software. Once exported, stitch frames into a sequence or annotate with timestamps so viewers know when each image was taken. If tiles aren't updating or image quality drops, clear Google Earth's cache, reboot the app, and re-enable the specific layers. Also verify your account and browser permissions. If problems persist, update the app or try a different network for better tile delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.